Alright guys, for the very first time I'm going to be doing this, I'm going to be listing out 4 top image generating tool, AI generating tool that you can use to generate the best images for your content creation or for every other thing that you want to use with your images, right? So without wasting much of our time, we want to dive into it. First of all, this is my Pinterest. So this particular interface that you're seeing was just to catch your attention so you can follow me to where I want us to go to. So the first one on my list, I'm going to go to my website, my Chrome browser, right? So the first on the list, the number 1 top AI tool that you can use to generate your images, number 1 is ideogram.ai. ideogram.ai. Now before that, I'm going to be dropping the prompt that I'm going to be using to generate all the images, so you'll be the one to decide which works perfect or which is the best AI images for you, right? So I'm going to be using the same prompt on all the platforms, right? Okay, now the first on my list is ideogram.ai. Now this is the link for ideogram.ai, right? So ideogram.ai. okay, now this is it. This is the link. This is the website here, ideogram.ai. So I'll click on it, ideogram.ai 4.0. Okay, this is the number 1. So I'm going to be pasting the link here. So in order for you to access the link, you have to check the description or the comment section. You see the link around there, so you use it and create yours to see what you have, right? Okay, so while still waiting for it to load, you can as well join my Telegram channel, right? This is where I drop reasonable information about everything you need to know about AI and how to go about some of the things that you've been finding it difficult about your smartphone, right? Okay, now this is it. This is the interface. So the reason why I'm having this interface is because I've already registered. Like, I have already registered with my email address and everything. So if you're new here, you're going to be asked to register, like to do the necessary, the online stuff now. So you use your email and you set it up. So after you've done with your Gmail or your email address, this is how it's going to appear. So I'm going to be pasting the prompt here. Paste, right? So I'll click on this arrow up here, this white arrow here. So let's see what we have here. So as you can see, if you should check the downside of it, you see there waiting in the slow queue. This is because I'm using the free plan, right? If you're using the paid plan, it will be done immediately. So the reason why is delaying is because I'm using the free plan. So, what have we got? In just few seconds and we'll have our image generated, right? Okay, so let's see what we have. Okay, wow, this is amazing. So you'll be the one to judge on this. We are going to see the best one that gives us the best, right? Okay, so this is what we have. This doesn't look nice at all for me. Okay, right? I feel that is that. Okay, now another one. We are done with ideogram.ai. Okay. Someone might say, okay, if I want to save that, what should I do, right? Okay, if you want to save those images, it's as simple as what you might think. It's as simple as ABC. Okay. You click on library. Then you check the images. You click on library. Okay, so there's the image that will be generated, right? So this is where you save your image here, right? Here. All right, so I'll click on it and it's being downloaded. So you see here, file type JPEG. So I'll use JPEG, download. Okay, so as you can see, it's downloaded up here. Okay, now the second tool that you can use to generate your images for your content creation or for every other thing that you want to do with your images, right? Now the second one is Leonardo.ai. Now Leonardo.ai actually has it has an app, right? It has an app that you can use. So this is Leonardo.ai. This is it. This is it. So you just go to your Google Play Store and download Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai. Then you click after updates required. Okay. I think this has expired. So let's download a new one. Let's update it. Okay. So we'll give it a little time for it to be updated. Then we'll proceed. Okay. It's done updating. So let's open it. I'll click on open. Okay. Now this is the interface. As simple as this. So what we have to do is I'll click on image generation, or I'll click on get started, right? I'll click on get started. So after you've clicked on get started, you now log in with your email address, right? You log in with your email address. Okay? Log in with your email address. So I'm going to blur my email address because this is on the public domain. Okay? You click on continue. Alright. Okay? It's still processing. Okay. Okay, so we're done. It's done downloading. So get started. Okay, you click on this, then you get started. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'll click here. I'll click downward here. Generate, right? I'll click on generate. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste the same prompt that I used on ideogram.ai. So I'll paste it here. So let's see. Okay. Now, after that, I'll click here. So let's wait and see what Leonardo.ai will give to us. So you'll be the one to judge on this the best. But this is the 4 AI tools that I use, right? Okay. Okay. Or this looks so toyish. Looks so cartoonish, right? Okay. Okay. Right? So you be the one to decide. On the one to use. Okay, that is that for Leonardo.ai. Okay, now let's move to the third. Let's move to the third image generating tool, right? So let's go back to our browser. So I'll click on our normal one, Google Gemini. Okay, now let's check out what Google Gemini will give to us. So we'll still paste our prompt here. Okay, I'll click on this R2. Okay, let's see what we have here. Remember, I've mentioned 3 now. First was ideogram.ai. Second is Leonardo.ai. Thirdly is Gemini.ai. Right? Okay. So let me download this. It's been downloaded. Okay, it's been downloaded. Okay, now the Ogagwatakpata of them all. Let's go to ChatGPT. Yes, many of you don't know that we can actually use ChatGPT to generate images, right? So let's paste the prompt, okay, and see what we're gonna have here. Okay, so you really want to decide. Just drop your comments, just drop your thoughts on the comment section. Which is the best for you? Which one appears so realistic, and which one was perfect for you? So if you want this particular prompt that I'm using, just go to the description or you go to the pinned comments, you see the link to my Telegram channel. So that is where we will share updates on, let's build from there, right? That is where I share everything that you need to know about AI and YouTube channel and all of that, right? So let's still wait for ChatGPT to give us what we instructed it to give us, right? So let's see the best. So okay, this is what we have for ChatGPT. I think this is actually my best. I think this is actually my best. I don't know who get this. I think this is actually my best. So guys, I want you to write yours in the comment section, which was actually your best, which one appears real and realistic to you. Is it the one from ideogram.ai, or the one from leonardo.ai, or the one from gemini.ai, or the one from ChatGPT? So let me know in the comment section. Please remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe, because this is what we are going to use to keep the journey going, right? Remember to subscribe and share to your friends, right? Thank you.